Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chuck. I'm a hairdresser and salon owner in Austin, Texas. In today's video, we're cooling things down, toning out the brass, and going full on silver and gray. In our last session, we left things a little more white, and though it was pretty, my client really loved that pop of silver from our first session. She's primarily white up top, and we were initially trying to go more natural, but after 2 sessions and trying silver and white, she definitely loved the silver more, so that's exactly what we're going to do today. I pre-mixed my formulas off camera, and they are all Redken Shades EQ. In bowl number 1, I have 8NA. Bowl number 2, I have 8T. Bowl number 3, I have 9B and 9T, equal parts. And in bowl 4, I have 10T. Though I just have the 4 formulas mixed, I do melt them together on the hair to make additional tones. In the first few foils, I'm mainly rotating out formulas 1 and 2. 8NA will leave a soft, ashy gray blonde tone to the hair, and the 8T is going to give it more of a soft kind of slate feel. Rotating these 2 colors will give the hair a very blended, natural look. She doesn't have quite that much depth naturally underneath, but it blends well, and it really makes the lighter shades from up top pop off the darker pieces. Adding in this darker area gives the hair a more youthful feel, as well as adding great contrast. As I work my way up the back of the head, I slowly transition from painting the dark from roots to ends to rooting in the darker formula where I need to get rid of any warmth, and then melting in the lighter formulas on the ends. Using levels 9 and 10 really gives the hair a realistic silver and gray feel by adding dimension. Many of the foils in this section have 2 to 3 formulas applied in that one foil. That's why I've chosen to overlay the foils in this area. I'll paint the darker formula towards the root area to blend out warmth, as well as the level 9 formula to areas that are brassy in the mid links and ends, and the level 10 formula to all the lightest areas to ensure that they stay their lightest and brightest. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button below. It's completely free, and you definitely aren't going to want to miss any of my videos. You'll notice as I'm painting this towards the root that I'm feathering the product up. I've chosen Redken Shades EQ for this client because of its sheer coverage. This will allow the hair to maintain maximum dimension, allowing it to reflect light better, with more shine, and will make the hair look nice and full. You'll definitely want to make sure you use a translucent color to achieve this look. In the lower areas of this front section, I sometimes include some level 8 on the back side of the foil, towards the root where the hair is naturally darker. I'm only doing this where the hair naturally appears darker at the root. This will help everything to blend better. Once I make it up higher on the sides, I omit the level 8 altogether and just use the level 9 and 10 formulas. Alright, I am going to finish painting out this top section, and then I will catch back up with you guys once it's all done and rinsed. Okay, we are just back from the shampoo. I rinsed the color from the hair and used Leaf and Flower Instant Damage Correction Shampoo and Conditioner. This is not a sponsored video. I use and sell their products in my salon, and they are incredible. I prepped the hair with Leaf and Flower 7-minute blow dry spray and Frizz Remedy spray, as well as their phytomolecular oil. Once I got everything blow dried, I sprayed in a little IGK First Class dry shampoo at the root. This will help soak up any natural oils to extend the wearability of her style. I curled her hair with a 1.5 inch curling iron, switching up the direction I was curling the hair through the back for more volume. Once I move to the front, it's important to curl every section away from the face. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on how I curl hair, let me know down in the comments. Once I had everything curled, I sprayed it with Fave 4 Texture Takeover. This is hairspray, texturizer, and dry shampoo hybrid. It's great for kind of just dirtying up the hair a little to make sure that the style holds, but it's flexible enough to brush through. This is super important and it's a must-have for me. I'll link it below if you want to give it a try. I've got all my clients hooked on it now. Alright, I'm gonna finish curling up these last few sections and then I'll get everything combed out, sprayed up, and then she'll be ready to go. While I've got your attention, don't forget to hit the like button below. That really helps me out and tells YouTube to show my video to other people. Thanks so much. Alright you guys, that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I think that her color turned out beautiful. I'm so happy with it. And yeah, I'd love to know what you think below, so just drop a comment below and let me know what you think. And I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, look at that. Isn't her hair just gorgeous on her? It looks so, so pretty. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.